Hello, a very good morning from our kitchen here in Stoke on Trent. I want to say a very good morning to you wherever you're watching from, wherever you're tuning in from. Thank you for tuning in. I would like to show you what we are cooking for lunch today. We're having some friends come over to have some lunch. Actually, not friends, a sister and my children coming over for lunch. So we are preparing for them some Zambian dish. So what we have prepared here is we have bought some bread from the Asian shop because you can find quite a lot of African foods from the Asian shops. So this is red, we call it repulani banda, and then we bought some okra. This one we can either have it slimy or just slice it and have it like fried up. Later on I will be making it as my super drink. And one of the ingredients is watermelon and pineapple. Yeah, so I'll be making a drink later on. That's one of the ingredients, pineapple. And this is, as you've seen there, it says #1 super maize meal. You can find this, it's actually called Iwisa. It's a product from South Africa. You can find that in the Asian shops, loads of it. We call it ubunga. Yeah, Asian or African shop, you can find the ubunga, and you can eat all the foods that you like from your country. And one of the things that we are actually is on the menu is the famous kapenta. They call it caperezi. And also what we decided to do, I didn't show you, I would have showed you this. This is actually dried tilapia. What we did is we soaked it and it became soft. So we and put a bit of salt. So we frying it. And then that will go with the gravy, which is the onion is being already prepared. The gravy is already there, if you can see. Oh, that's beans. Oh, okay, we're gonna have some beans there, but the gravy will be done to go with the dried tilapia. Here we have lamb chops. These have already been seasoned. And are you going to put this in the oven? Mm-hmm. These are going to be put in the oven, and that's how we're going to have them baked. So stay tuned if you want to see more of what we are doing in the kitchen today. Stay tuned, and thanks to one of my helpers. Could you say hello to the YouTube family?
Hi YouTube family. Is here cooking.
You know what? They didn't hear you. The YouTube family, say hello nicely.
Hi YouTube family. Hope you are all well. We're all good here in Stoke on Trent. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.
All right. So there you go. My helper, my beloved wife. What else is?
Oh, that's fresh fish.
Oh, there's some fresh fillets. What type of fish is this?
White cod, I think.
White cod. So we're gonna be having white cod apart from the other stuff that we'll be having. So that will go with, as usual. As you can see from the videos, from the relishes, it's gonna go with enshima. Oh, you can hear the noise of the kitchen. Right, so let me do some preparation, cutting of red. So this is how you prepare the red. You have to slice it in thin slices, and then it's all ready to be washed up and cooked. So I'll put it in the dish. This dish you can see over here. So nice thin slices with a nice sharp knife, and there you go. Just mind your fingers, otherwise you end up in the intensive care unit. So that's how you slice it, like that. And then it's going to be washed. What did I say here? It's going to be washed in water, rinsed, because there could be some sand particles in there. So when you soak it for a bit in the water, all those particles come off, and then So I'm gonna slice all this and then get it ready, ready to be cooked. So that's what it looks like when it's sliced up. So let me continue cutting it, and then it should be cooked in a few minutes. So that's all the rape. I've cut all of it. So now I'm just going to soak it in water, let all the residues, wash off. So these are the remaining, bunch that I don't need. The okra is now getting ready, all getting chopped up as well into tiny pieces. How are you going to cook this one? Are you going to make the slimy one?
I'll do half fried and half slimy.
Okay, so this okra, have you heard, is going to be half slimy and half cooked, half of this okra. So there's quite a lot here. So yeah, when she says slimy, it's cooked in such a way that it's like boiled and then slimy. But I'll show you when we are eating, perhaps maybe in the next video or in this same video, I will show it to you. The carpenter is coming up. Oh, yeah. Can you hear that sizzling? If you can only smell, I'm telling you, the flavor, it's in the smell of this carpenter. But you know what? You have to acquire the taste. By that I mean, some people would not like this smell. Even the dry fish, some people don't like the smell, but if you have grown up with it from the child you were born, you see and eat carpenter, then you will know what I'm talking about. If you smell that miles away, I'm telling you, it just triggers up your appetite and you become so hyper hungry for the food, the staple food. The beans is nice. It's coming up nice, thick soup over there. So yeah, we're getting there. Soon we shall be sitting on the table. It will be lunchtime and we'll be enjoying a meal from Zambia made in Stoke-on-Trent. So what I've done, the remaining bits, I've gathered them and we're not wasting them because the chickens will eat that. So I'm just going to go feed the chickens now. Time to wear those boots before I go into the mud. I don't know, why is it that I start all the time when I'm wearing my shoes, I always start with my left. Is it the same thing with you? Have you noticed that? It just amazes me, so I just thought I asked the question. Maybe I'm the only one. Right, let's go to our backyard farm and see the chickens and feed them. Let them have some nice greens in their system. And I believe these kind of greens actually helps for the egg production. Good morning, chickens. I got some goodies for you, but no coming out. All right then. I am just going to empty this here. There you go. Yeah, I've just emptied it in there. And they love the greens, so they will enjoy it. Oh, that reminds me. Let me just check for some eggs as well. Probably have some eggs in here. Excuse me, chickens. Let's see what's in here. Oh yes, there's some eggs here. Today we got 5 eggs and all this poo. This is very special manure. This is all going to be gathered and then, oh, there's an egg in this tray. Look at that. Oh, one naughty chicken laid in a different place. So I should be on the lookout to check for some other quarters where they're hiding these eggs. Let me just get these out. Put some in my pocket. And then get 3 more. Okay. Okay, you can continue laying. I'm coming to give you some feed in a minute. So I need to monitor these chickens where they are laying their eggs, because I've just realized they can lay anywhere. Right, let me just give them some feed. Yeah, so this is the container, our storage bin. So I'm just going to feed them. They seem to be very hungry. Are you hungry, you chickens? It looks like you are. Don't worry, I'm going to give you some food now. 1 minute. I have another one, another feeder, a slightly bigger one. So that needs to fill up to the brim. Yeah, I need to fill this one right up to the top. They are hungry, look at them. They are hungry, these chickens, so let me just feed them. Yeah, so this one is all filled up now, all the top up to the top. And I need to top up the water. Let me top up the water for these chickens so they can have some plenty of water. So usually we have an outside tap, and a hose pipe. So I'm just going to pull this hose pipe all the way up to the chicken place, and then fill up the water drinkers so they can have water for the couple of days. That goes through there. So let me go now, switch on the tap. That's our outside tap. So I'm just going to switch on this one. And we'll have some water. There we go. Some running water. So what I need to do is open this. So you just twist it to the right. Hold it there and then twist it to the right. And that comes out. And you can put that up like that, upside down. And I pull this hose pipe and just fill it up. So that's going to fill up while I wash this. So I'm going to wash, just rinse it a bit. Make sure it's all nice and clean so that the birds can have nice and clean water. So that's the basin for this drinker. Let's just rinse it a bit. That's looking nice and clean now. So once this is filled up, I'll turn it upside. I'll put the lid on top and then lock it, and then so ready to go for them chickens to have something to drink. So it's almost filled up, nearly there. Nearly there. Right, so I've filled up the water and the feed. Then you got these here. So that's it. Let me just take them eggs from our chicken and let's see what's happening in the kitchen. So those are our eggs for today. Imagine if you got a small family, that's every day you're getting about 6, 7, 10 eggs in a day. You're okay. You don't have to go to a supermarket. So the okra is all nice and sliced up. Some of it is just frying over here. Nice sizzling. And the other one will be boiled. The okra is nice and ready. This is all been, oh sorry, the campaign, my apologies. So that is all, what mixture is it? Is this just flour? Ordinary flour with some salt over there. Like I said, the red needs to be soaked because sometimes there could be sand, little dust particles in there, so it needs to come off. So she's preparing the slimy okra and she's putting all the ingredients in there. What other ingredients do you add there?
Onion and tomato.
And what else?
Salt.
Soda?
A bit of the bicarbonate of soda.
Bicarbonate soda. Just a pinch of bicarbonate soda and it becomes very, very delicious. Yeah, so far so good. I've shown you what's happening in the kitchen and what we're having for lunch today. But I will update you once the table is set and ready. I will show you while we're eating so that you can salivate from wherever you are. I just want to make you wish. I know that Zambian watching, you might be wishing for Tanesa Vidia Uma Nomulembwe. That's what we are having here today. Na binzi kabulangeti today, dear Yonse. So it will be fantastic. If you're watching out there and you wish you want to eat something like that, please, if you're in Zambia, you can just go to the market and buy it. But if you're here in the UK or in the diaspora, there are some Asian shops. In particular here in Stoke and Trent, we have Asian shops and African shops where you can buy some of the goodies that you find in your home country. So, adios amigos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. God bless you.